Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on stage, Patrick Rusine.
I'm so happy to be here tonight. And if you don't understand English, tonight you're going to suffer like me. Thank you, thank you. My wife did. Thank you, Mama O, for the outfit. So, first of all, I want to thank you guys for contributing today. And even ibintu byatangiye kera cyane kabisa. Singiye kubabeshya ibintu bijyanye na supporting mbizi kuva kera. Thank you Aline Sano. Warufite akandi kazi and wavuguti you have to be here and everything, you know. I love you so much. Yeah. Okay, so support yanyu natangiye kuibona kuva kera. Since when I was a dude. One day, Mama Girarcha, and guys, my mom is in the cloud. Where are you, Mama Rusine? Thank you so much, kuba waramjaye. Ntabyadanje ndakugezaho ariko ibyo ntaguherega nanjye ntabyo mfite. Ndaguha ibyo ntafite se. Ariko ma ubundi ibintu byakunaniye imyaka rubanye. I'm still young. You hustled, it didn't work for you, and it colleagues, man will not come. Yeah. And I also invited my dad here. I don't know if he's here. Hey! You know, Gashana, is my dad here? Yes. So both mom and dad are in the same building. Yeah. This happened wrong time ago. Like 25 years ago. It's the last time to be in the same roof. Yes. Jani ukabaturanyi bajya bambwira yuko mom and dad like bajyaga babibona n'undi ko ibintu byabo bitazakunda tu. Since they are here, and I'm pretty sure they don't understand English, we are going to talk to them on this one. So, Mama, nikubabwira uburyo wankushije neza ukangira umuntu w'umugabo warakoze papa n'ukuri, respect to you. So, I remember when I was 3 months, I was sleeping and I heard a voice of my mom shouting to my dad saying, no, my boy is going to be called Rusine Vahizi Kristal. You know, muri biriya bihe ntabwo umuntu bamwitaga kiva kwa muganga. Yes, washoboraga kumara like 8 days or 8 months witwa Kenny, and umunsi umwe papa we yataha yakumva bimwanze bata uri Gael sha. And Coach Gael is in the building. Thank you so much for coming. Yeah. Yay, colleagues, Monday is here. Coach Gael, when he came in Rwanda for, I don't know, it wasn't for the first time, but doing business officially, people have to know that you are doing business in Rwanda. he used to giving people money, especially artists, the comedians, the musicians, the dancers. When you meet Coach Gael, $100 on you. Nyuma yaje kugira abantu ngo niba ari abajyanama, niba ari abashyi. I don't know what happened. These guys, DJ Pius, Kenny, ukavuga ngo Coach Gael ngo is the CEO of 155. They say no, CEO is Kenny, and Coach Gael is no longer a CEO, but he's you are challenging us. This guy used to give us money. I know. Yeah. And then we are calling you, you don't have a Rwandan phone number anymore. He's in Brussels, the location of Snapchat is Chimirongo. What is this? Bro, I can see you in Chimirongo market. No, I left my phone. Wow. But thank you so much for coming. Yeah. And your G69, right? Yeah, it's a good drink. Because I remember the last time I was drinking with you at Kigali Universe, I just came to tell you that I wanted to do a comedy special, but I didn't tell you. I want to tell you that I wanted to do a comedy special in Kigali Universe. Then when I arrived, you just gave me, if I remember, it were 2 shots. Then you forgot. And he told me, bro, okay, now we can talk. What do you want? I said, what do I want? What do I want? I want nothing. I only want more shots from you. It will be okay. So, back on my point about mom and dad. Sorry, guys, I'm rehearsing myself to use English nowadays. I want to go international. And I'm going to be the first person in my family to have a visa. Yes. My dad used to have a visa card. Do you still have it? Oh. Yeah. So, ako tuzajya tugenda tubivanga tu. So, rero, mama ari gushwana na papa. Kinyarwanda? Oh. Mama ari gushwana na papa. Mu mutwe wanjye sinjya mbyumvisha ko ntibirabaho na rimwe pe. So when they are quarreling, my boy has to be called Rusine, but he's Christian. My father was like, no, all our neighbors' sons, they are called Rukundo Patrick. My son has to be called Rukundo Patrick. That's how I ended up with this name. Yes. The Coach Gaeles of that time. Iyo iwanyu mu rugo mwabaga mufite intebe za Je commence la vie, mufite sima y'umutuku, mufite amabati, ko habagaho n'amategura, mukubura imbuga mukabona iraringaniye, mutekera mu masafuriya atari mu nkono, byabaga ari ibyo. Mwahitaga mubarwa mu bakire. Nabyibuka nanu nakuriye muri quartier twe twagiraga icyo kibazo kubera ukuntu quartier itari imeze neza, habagamo ibibazo. Rimwe na rimwe ukanasanga umuyaga urajura kubise, amabati yarambutse agiye mu muhanda, and then abantu bagiye kuyagarura ugasanga kamara afashe ibati rya damascene, bitangiye guteza ibintu by'ibibazo n'ibiki. Haza noneho liste y'igitabo kirimo amazina y'abaturage bafite amabati n'ubwoko bw'amabati bafite n'umubare wayo. Ibati ryawe ryagwa ku muhanda, ukajya ku mukuru w'umudugudu ukamubwira ati banyiranye ku muhanda, akakubwira ati nomero kangahe ryanditseho 23, and then akarikurebera like turagikemura. Kera, when I was a dude, I remember. That's why I say thank you so much. Kuko ibintu byo kumfasha byatangiye iki. I remember my first time mama wanjye ahembwa umushahara we wa mbere. Hariya mama byari 2400. akosha bwaherekera bwarakubiswe. My grandfather ngo yakoraga muri Beneri. Nko yabambwira. Nuko barambwira bati rero dukeneye kugira ngo noneho dushaka umuntu maze gufatiranga muntu ufite imbaraga uzajya gufata amafaranga ya pansiyo. Ndavuga ni ndakize ndakora he. Pansiyo ya muzehe yakoraga muri Beneri. Ndazamuka umunsi barambwira ati amafaranga za kuri 10 na zingahe. Ndambara ndacyangira ndagenda ntondo umurongo. Remember ni papa si muri sako. Ndagenda ntondo umurongo muri sako merani ndabyimba zambona abantu barabahaye hangaye 120 nkavuga ngo tsari umufundisha. Nkavuga ni nge my grandfather was working in Beneri Bank National di Rwanda. And then barangeraho baramvuga bati uhagarariye Kayande we azanye imbere 900. Barangije barambwira ngo ntabwo yatwara yose ngo agomba gusigara 1000 cya konti bampa 800. Yakoraga muri Beneri, yakoraga hakurya ya Beneri. Papa, you have to explain this. Kuko nanjye ntuyikanombe kuba demo bari ku motari yanzani ikintu ndamubwira nti urabona hari yageze hari ya hafi yo kwa ba Melody ucubira wapana umuhanda wo kwa Melody cubira hepfo rero. Ako by the way umuturanyi wanjye ntago ari ukwiyemera. Nukuri kabisa dutuye mu murenge umwe impamo y'Imana I can't lie to you guys bishingwe byanjye nibye bigenda mu modoka imwe. I swear. So mama rero azana umushahara wewe 400 ngahe wana yabyimbye cyane ameza cyaye kiyazamu yavuga tumva anything you want my son. Abanguriye baro, abanguriye ibipapa bya danje bya bindi bya bodaboda, abanguriye isaha, aguza udukombe 6 dusa. Abantu bo mu Rwasa afite ari ibikombe by'umweru byabaga birimo utuntu tw'uturongo hagati ibipimo. Urabyibuka? Sana arabiseka nk'abinywereyemo. Arabiguza 6 byiza cyane. Sirahari yarambwira ati mwana wanjye live the life. Aje nkumva ubwo nubwo buzima. Ndamanuka ku muhanda njya gukina yanguriye baro angurira nkweto angurira isaha byose nabibuze mu masaha atarenzanye. Tatangiriye ku nkweto. Uko twakinaga umupira inkweto za kera n'ibyo mu birenge by'abana warazambaraga bodaboda ikagera hikazamuka ikaza nka ball. Yes. Kandi ahangaha ni ku muntu mugufi like the person to be like here. Kwero ukuntu mfite ibintu byinshi I feel like mu gihe nzajya mbashije kwibuka kimwe nzajya ngishiramo nkomeza ibindi. DJ Pius, I have a poem for you. A poem for DJ Pius. My friend DJ Pius, you're very tall. You never take shots because you are tall. You will live longer. Life can't be short on you. Pius is blessed because he can't suffer from short-sightedness. And if he gets arrested, his sentence will be cut in half because his hate is for 2 people. If he was a footballer, he would never get a half-time break. He can't take drugs because he's always high. Imagine finding DJ Pius in downtown. This brother is supposed to be in Kigali Heights. If he drinks alcohol, it's only Long Island. Thank you. That goes to you. This is my show. This is my content. I say what I want. Believe it or not. It's my show. What can you do? Nothing. I can do a joke on every person in this building. For example, the DDG, Sandrine Isheja Butera. I love you so much. And I'm very happy for your progress and the contribution you have done in my life. She's now the DDG of RBA. But here, I also am also a DDG. Okay, we are not on the same level, but same titles. You are Deputy Director General, right? And I'm a dude to dad guy. Yes, I'm the DDG. So, show irimo parte eshatu. Before being a dad, a process of being a dad, and after being a dad. I started before being a dad. And I remember umunsi wa mbere. Papa, you know, ndayikubita mu Kinyarwanda. Umunsi wa mbere menya ko nateye inda. Papa wabimbwiye. Okay, nari mbizi, but I wasn't sure. Abaramamagaye. Bwana papa ndamwita. Yo mzee, Mungu wanyu, felicitation kabisa. Byagenze bite? Baba mwakuraye sugira ngo ari ikintu bajya bamisha. Bakubwiye iki? Ngo rwose uturi mu cyiciro kimwe. Gute se? Wabaye umugabo. Gute nyine? Ngo wateye inda. Abantu bayari kumwe nabo n'abantu bagira amagambo cyane. Urabona ya abantu bagukikije kubizi ko bagira amagambo. Ubizi ko ibyo bintu babizi yuko wahiteye, ariko they are not sure cause none of them was there. So, bakoresheje papa wawe just kugira ngo gusa you confirm. None basakaza amagambo ahantu hose. Nabyumva numva ni teknolojia. And I was like, you know, it's not my first time to lie on my dad. I'm going to do it. Vienna mugeni. Ariko nanone nkavuga nti kubeshi mubyeyi ntago ari indero nziza, ntago ubwo burere mufite. So navuga reka njye hagati nagati mubeshe ariko si mubeshe. Kandi namubwira nti yego aratwite ariko ndasi yanjye. So aho ngaho nana bamubonye atwite bavuze yego sawa, ariko on my side I was safe. Mbaza ngo narinde. No munsi wa mbere nari nicaranye muri salon na mabo ko ngiye kumubwira iby'imishinga y'ubukwe.